Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be reviewing a one-of-a-kind custom iron chopper motorcycle, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Motormax. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a signature custom iron choppers window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motormax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale special edition diecast replica of a one-of-a-kind custom iron chopper motorcycle which is manufactured by Motormax. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite unique and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 6 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 120 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with a unique and one-of-a-kind paint job with amazing custom details and also have free rolling wheels, a kickstand, custom chopper bodywork, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And as we take a look at this amazing custom chopper, I would say that this is by far my favorite custom motorcycle in my collection. My favorite features on this diecast beauty is the attention to the custom detail work, especially the massive chrome displacement engine. And my favorite feature is the suicide gear system, and the attention to details on this one blows my mind. And I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below regarding this custom diecast beauty. So let's go ahead and take a look. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing custom diecast motorcycle replica in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this custom beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A chopper is a type of custom motorcycle which emerged in California in the late 1950s. The chopper is perhaps the most extreme of all custom styles, often using radically modified steering angles and lengthened forks for a stretched out appearance. They can be built from an original motorcycle which is modified, chopped or built from scratch. Some of the characteristic features of choppers are long front ends with extended forks often coupled with an increased rake angle, hardtail frames which are frames without rear suspension, very tall ape hanger or very short drag handlebars, lengthened or stretched frames, and larger than stock front wheels. This is bar, a set of tubes that connect the rear fender with the frame and which are often extended several feet high, is also one of the signature features of many choppers. And for further information on custom chopper motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this one-of-a-kind 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing custom diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.